Hello. Today in our lesson, we're gonna talk about going to question forms and present continuous for future arrangements. We use be going to in the future when we plan, and present continuous we use for future arrangements and action in progress, right? So let me explain here. Be going to yes/no questions. So this is the form of be going to in question form. To be, we use to be before a subject, then subject going infinitive. For example, am is to be, I subject going, then infinitive to play, for example, yes? Am I going to play? We use am before I in the first place in singular form. And is, yeah, we use is in the third place in the singular form before he, she, it. Is he, she, it going to study? And we use are before you, we, you, they. We use to be verb are in the second place in singular form you, and in plural form we, you, they. Okay? So are you, we, you, they going to work? Okay, so this is the question form of be going to, and when we answer these questions, we say in short answer is yes, he is. Is he going to eat? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Okay, and for example, are we going to cook? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Okay. Be going to information questions. Sometimes we ask information questions, right? So this is the, for example, information questions start with WH, right? WH or maybe how. For example, question words: what, where, when, why. What, қандай, не, where, қайда, when, қашан, why, неге. Okay, so these questions always we use always before to be, am, is, are. Okay, so this is the these questions should be in the first place before to be. So question for words after this we use to be, am, is, are. Then we use subject and then going infinitive. Okay, this is the form of information questions. For example, what am I going to study? Yes, so you should answer the questions like I am studying English. Okay, where for example, where is he going to work? Where is he going to work? For example, you should answer these questions like he is going to work in one company. Yes, when are you going to play? When are you going to play? For example, when are you going to play football? You should answer, I'm going to play football tomorrow. Yes. Why, for example, is she going to eat? Why is she going to eat? Because you have to answer like, you should answer like because, okay? Because we ask why, неге? Because she is hungry. Yes, for example. Өйткені оның қарны аш. Okay, so I think you got it, this information questions and be going to yes no questions, okay? And let me explain the next one about present continuous for future arrangements. Present continuous созылыңқы орысша future arrangements келер шақтағы келісім, иә. Біз present continuous жағын келер шақта келісімге де қолданамыз, және осы шақтағы болып жатқан іс-әрекетке де, созылып жатқан іс-әрекетке де қолданамыз. Let me explain present continuous созылыңқы орысша. We can use the present continuous when we talk about arrangements in the future. We often use a time expression when we talk about the future arrangements. Okay, let me translate this into Kazakh. Biz present continuous созылыңқы осы шақты келер шақта келісім жайында айтқан кезде қолданамыз. Біз жиі уақыт мезгіл үстеулерін келер шақта келісімді айтқан кезде қолданамыз. Yes? Okay, future arrangement. Келер шақтағы келісім. For example, when are you going to the hospital? When are you going to the hospital? Сен ауруханаға қашан барайын деп жатырсың? Yes? So, I am going to hospital tomorrow. Мен ауруханаға ертең барайын деп жатырмын. So, this is the rule of present continuous for future arrangements, okay? And I told you that we use present continuous when we make arrangements, so in the future. So this is the future arrangements, yeah? Бұл бізде келер шақтағы келісім. Яғни бұл жерде біз ауруханаға қашан баратынын келер шақтағы келісім жайында сұрап тұрмыз. So, and we often use a time expression. Time expression is a tomorrow, yeah? Tomorrow, ертең. То есть біз міндетті түрде мезгіл үстеуін қолданамыз. Келер шақта келісім туралы айтқан кезде. Мен ертең барайын деп жатырмын. Бұл жерде келер шақта келісім жоспарланып қойған, yeah? Okay, so in the next one, I'm going to tell about the present continuous for action in progress. Action in progress дегеніміз болып жатқан созылыңқы іс-әрекет. Қазіргі уақытта болып жатқан іс-әрекет, yeah? Action in progress. We also use the present continuous when we talk about actions in progress. Созылыңқы осы шақты біз қазіргі уақытта болып жатқан іс-әрекетті айтқан кезде де қолданамыз present continuous жағын. For example, are you doing your homework? Are you doing your homework? Сен үй тапсырмасын жасап отырсың ба? Бұл жерде біз қазіргі уақытта болып жатқан іс-әрекетке сұрақ қойып тұрмыз. Бұл бізде келер шақтағы келісім туралы айтылмаған. Қазіргі уақытпен байланыстағы сұрақ. Are you doing your homework? Yes, I am. Я, мен орындап отырмын. This is a short answer, okay? Thank you very much. I hope you understand about present continuous for action in progress and for future arrangements. And I hope you got about the Bitcoin 2 question forms, okay? So thank you very much for your listening to me.